So, just watched a video by Pops Quest, another Guns Coast to Coast on the whole terrorist thing or something. I don't know. But I do have to add, just about an hour or two ago, I was in Best Buy out here in California, Visalia, California. And there's a couple of, Muslim guys dressed up with the outfits and talking on in Arabic. And I didn't understand a word they were saying, but they were shopping for drones. Man, those drones were expensive too. I guess maybe there's a worldwide shortage. Somebody must be using a lot of them. I don't know. But they're shopping for drones and they're talking in Arabic. The guy's talking on his cell phone to somebody, like getting instructions. And I didn't understand what they were saying, but I did understand when he pointed to the biggest one and he says big one. He says the biggest one. So that's what they bought, the biggest one. So anyway, I'm not too worried about these people. Apparently they have hobbies to entertain themselves. Have a good night, everybody. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing, but what can I do?